Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to Snapchat a video. All right. For example, here, as you can see, I have my app opened. Now to send a video or snap a video, just go ahead and tap and hold on this button right here, which is the circle button or the capture button. Let's say, for example, I'm going to tap and hold. All right. As you can see here, it is now on yellow, which means that it is now currently recording. All right. As you can see here, when I release the button, it stops. And as you can see, it is currently playing the video that you just captured. Now, if you want to save it to your gallery or your phone's gallery, you can go ahead and tap on this one right here to save it. Or if you want to upload it to your stories, just go ahead and tap on stories right here. And the last option here, you can send this to a person. All right. But before sending or uploading it to your stories, you can go ahead and tap on these options right here where you can edit your video. For example, tap on T to make a text. Hi, done. Right here, you can draw something. For example, pick a color first, then draw. All right, when you're done, just tap on this left arrow right here and add some music if you want to. Add your own recording if you want to, or you can just swipe to make use of filters right here. As you can see, swipe, then just go ahead and tap on send to. As you can see here, you have the option to upload this on Spotlight, My Story, SnapMap, or send this one to a person you know. All right. And that's basically how to Snapchat video. You can also use your videos from the gallery or your phone's gallery. Say, for example, just go ahead and tap on this icon right here, which is the album icon. All right. Tap on it. Let's say, for example, I'm going to upload this one right here, which is a video. All right. For example, I'm going to upload this to the story without editing it. As you can see, that is now sending, so it will automatically be added to your story. All right, send to, again, as you can see here, similar options. You can always add a chat right here. All right, there you have it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.